Most of the time we'll use these three operations: copy, move, and insert. Let's begin for copying data operations. We can use the normal operation. We can select the data and press Ctrl plus C to copy, and then Ctrl plus V to paste our data. There is a faster way to do that. You can select the data and drag it and press the Ctrl key while dragging. Now drag and press the Ctrl key. Look, a small plus sign appearing to indicate that we want to copy the data. We can release it in the place we want it to appear. Now it's copied. In the same manner, we can move rows and columns as well. For example, let's move these phone numbers before the social security numbers. We can select the column and press the shift key and put the place we want to live. We can insert data also. If we need to move and insert here Walter White above the Robert Boyce, we can simply select and drag and press the shift key as we move, and we can put there above the Robert. Now it's above the Robert Boyce. We can insert this the simple way. We can move and copy worksheets also. Right click the tab and you will get a copy or move command here. Here you can move or create a copy to this worksheet either or into new worksheets.